behavior. I broke his little heart, he a crybaby.
Can you play that again?
If her friends ain't around to record it, she been over, spin 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 over, around to record it, she shake that little ass in the mirror, like, she been over, shake that little ass in the mirror, like, spin over, spin over, spin over, shake that little.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. And in today's video, you guys, first of all, I just want to say a Merry Christmas. Christmas is officially over. It's kind of bittersweet. I was like fiending for Christmas to be over, to be honest, you guys, because I have a toddler, so she ran up all my money. So, but of course, I had to give you guys a New Year's Eve slay. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a quick and easy go-to glitter New Year's Eve glam. You guys were really requesting for me to do something with glitter for New Year's Eve, because honestly, I wasn't even going to do a New Year's Eve look, but you guys over on Instagram were like, girl, we need the glitter. Rose gold type of look, you guys. And this look, it looks so makeup artisty, but you guys, it is so easy. Like, we literally only use like 2 eyeshadows. It's ridiculous. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my quick and easy way on how I do this glittery type of eye look. And you guys, this is not a cut crease, because when I tell you that this is a quick and easy look, it's a quick and easy look. Like on New Year's Eve, if you're anything like me that gets ready mad last minute and the ball's about to drop, bitch, in 3, 2, 1, and you like trying to put your face together, but you still want to look a little bit festive, then this look is going to be perfect. So yeah, you guys, I know 2020 has been crazy, and this year is finally coming to an end. This is going to officially be my last video. Just quickly want to say Happy New Year's, of course, to all of my prima donnas. Like I said, this year was crazy for all of us. So thank you so much for all of your love and support and standing by me. I know I was on and off, like inconsistent, consistent so much throughout this year, like with so much going on. So I want to thank you guys so much for your support, for sticking with me and being a ride or die, you guys. Yeah, I would be nothing without my prima donnas, and I can't even believe that we are going into another year together. I am so excited for 2021, you guys. Like, I feel like, honestly, like, I know a lot of people say this at the end of every year, but I really feel like 2021 is my year. I'm claiming it. So yeah, Happy New Year's, prima donnas. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this New Year's Eve quick glitter glam, then you already know what to do. Thank you all for watching, and bitch, before you go, definitely hit that subscribe button, and until next time, guys, bye. So you already know, jumping into voiceover, and the brows are already on, and I just wanted to say shout out to my boyfriend, because guess who got some new AirPods for Christmas? I'm dumb hype, you guys. I never actually really wanted AirPods, but they're super clutch, so now I feel like I'm down, okay? And girl, I'm feeling myself with these AirPods. I was trying to show y'all my PLOUISE base, but bitch, I couldn't stop dancing, okay? I'm jamming right now. It's New Year's Eve, and what is your activation face? Mine is definitely this little bird face that you see me doing right here. Know when y'all see this face, I'm activated and the liquor is hitting, okay? So now I got my PLOUISE base on, and definitely I got a shot or 2 of my system. Bitch, I'm ready to get lit tonight, and I'm ready to finally end this year. This year was honestly terrible for all of us, but I did want to say shout out to all of y'all, because this year I got on so many PR lists because of you guys that I never thought I would ever be on, and y'all really are amazing for that. So anyways, jumping back into the eyeshadow, I am going to be taking this nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go in first with that transition shade. And when I tell y'all that this look is easy AF, sis, like I was not playing when I said we are trying to get out the door, okay? So I'm first taking this back and forth into my crease, old school style, just windshield wiper motions, and I'm actually going to diffuse this up into the brow. So we're going to lay down the pigment first, and when you have no additional eyeshadow left on your brush, now you can start working it up into the brow bone, and that's how you get a nice little fade, even though we're just using one brush. So most of this look honestly is with this one brush. Like, I ain't even have time to change my brush. We trying to go. So now that I got that all nice and faded, and I'm happy with the way that that's blended out, now I am now gonna go and repeat the same step on the other eye, but now we want to add a little bit of dimension, okay? It's looking a bit flat. So now I'm gonna take this chocolate brown in the same exact palette, and I'm gonna use that right into the depths of my crease. And usually I would add the darker shade first. That's how I do my makeup now, but like I said, we jumping old school, we're in a rush. And you guys, Huda Beauty formula, their eyeshadows blend seamlessly into each other, so you can actually do either way, light to dark or dark to light, doesn't matter, but this to me is the quickest way. And then you want to go in with one big giant fluffy brush and make sure everything is nice and blended and the crease is done. That's it. Now we are going to fake a cut crease because again, we do not have the time. So now I am going to take a fluffy brush and I'm literally just tapping where I feel my lid. When you close your eyes, you will feel your iris of your eye and you just want to tap right on over that. We're not making no harsh lines. This is not a dramatic cut crease. We are just opening up our eyelids again so that way our glitter will show and it doesn't get hidden within the folds of our eye. Like we want that shit to be popping. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of that chocolate brown just to run that alongside of our new fake eyelid, and now I'm just going to add a little bit more pigment to where I want this shadow to pop just a little bit more. And I'm going to take that rose gold shade in the nude palette as well. And you guys, my inspiration for this look was this little makeup bag that I had right here on my vanity. I literally wanted my eyes to look exactly like that. So I'm actually going to take this shimmer and I'm going to run it right along where we did put that PLOUISE base again. And you guys, the base is a bit sticky. I didn't let it dry down all the way, so it is going to act like a bit of an adhesive for our shimmer. So it did go on super easy, and oh my god, that shimmer is gorgeous. But now I am going to take a little bit more of that chocolate brown and fill in that little gap that we had on the outer corner. You guys know my trick. I love to take my brush and tug on my eye just a slight bit so that way I could get a nice seamless blend on the outer corner. If you guys hear Sage and Autumn, you guys, they're going off right now playing in the other room, and you guys, I cannot get a moment of silence to do today's voiceover for the life of me, so I apologize. But anyway, now moving on to the glitter. I am going to take this one from Glitter Injections, and this one is in the shade Copper Sparkle, and it is the most beautiful perfect rose gold glitter, because you know rose gold sometimes can be a bit pink or it can be a bit too orange. Like, it has to have the right tone. Now to apply the glitter, I am literally just going to use a dewy setting spray and saturate my brush because this glitter is so fine that it literally goes on so easy with just wetting your brush. So that's what one eye looks like with the glitter, but of course we're going to do the same exact thing to the other eye, and now they're all nice and popping. But here's my little trick for today's look. We're actually going to use 2 glitters. Yes, bitch, 2. So this one is from Glitter Injections as well, and I'll leave the shade to this one down in the description box. But this one, it's going to be a bit harder to apply because we already have glitter down. So how are you going to stick glitter on top of glitter? So I did just apply this one with a bit of eyelash glue, and this glitter is actually a lot more chunky and it has a lot more dimension, you guys. So it's a beautiful rose gold, but as you guys can see, it does have some shift of purple, blue, green. Like, I wanted my eyes to literally be New Year's Eve fucking popping. All right, we're not just serving rose gold, we're giving you dimension. Do you guys see that? Bitch, yes, I did lower down my lights and dim my lights so that way you guys can really see the effect of the glitter, because it's super hard to catch glitter on camera because all of these lights definitely do wash it out. But I am telling you guys, in person, my eyes were literally screaming, I am that bitch on New Year's, period. I really be gassing myself up way too much. But anyways, now I'm going to take the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Glow Palette. And this one is in the shade Forever Lit, which is that beaming white. This is one of my favorite shimmer white shades. Like, girl, for your inner corner, poppin'. So now moving on to liner, I am going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And I'm not going to do a wing because, like I said, nobody got time for that. So I am just going to quickly light my lash line, but we do want to smoke this out because it is going to look awkward. I am telling you right now. So I literally just set that whole entire liner with matte black eyeshadow. This one is from JUVIAS in the shade Licorice. Y'all already know, if y'all watch my videos, it's my favorite matte black. And yeah, you guys, I'm literally going to take a tiny brush and I'm going to stamp onto my outer corner until that liner looks like it's one with my crease. And literally in 2 seconds, it's going to look faded and smudged out. And I just love this little smoky effect. If you guys are not doing a wing liner and you guys do not want to worry about, oh my god, am I going to mess up my liner? No, bitch. Just smoke it out with some matte black eyeshadow and it's literally going to take your look from 0 to 100. So now going on to lashes. These are the Tata lashes in the shade Adina, and I love them because they're not too dramatic where they're going to cover up my whole entire lid because I want the glitter to show, but I still want my lashes to be popping. So now moving on to the face, I am going to take my JUNO & Co. Moonshine Cream. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to check out anything from JUNO & Co. I am obsessed with this. This is literally a moisturizer and a primer in one, and it literally smooths out the skin so nicely. Now for longevity, in my primer, I am going to take my Milk Hydro Grip. And just for a little bit more added hydration, I did take the Hard Candy Primer Spray. Now for foundation, I am going to take the new Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. And y'all know my rule, never ever use a new foundation when it is a special occasion, your birthday, a special night out. You never want to go testing out new products because it will make or break your look. And that was the case in today's video. I honestly did not like this Huda Beauty new stick foundation. It was not bad. I don't want to bash it, but is it something that I will wear alone in another video or to go out? No. Honestly, it didn't have enough coverage, and when I tell you it was so lightweight, I felt like I wasn't wearing nothing. And if you're a makeup wearer like me and you guys love full coverage, like, you need to feel something on your skin, if you get me. It just felt like nothing, and the coverage really was not there for me. So I did mix it with the new not the new, but the Anastasia Luminous foundation. And at first I was tight because I really did not like the Huda Beauty foundation, but bitch, when I tell you these two were perfect together, I actually just found a bomb new combo. So at first I was mad, I'm not even gonna lie, but then I was like, all right, it kind of worked out for the better because now I just found a brand new combo that I am obsessed with. So yes, you guys, I don't like the Huda Beauty stick foundation on its own, but to mix it with a liquid foundation, bomb. So now for concealer, I am gonna take the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and to set that concealer, I will be taking the One Size by Patrick Starr translucent powder, which I am obsessed with from the moment I tried it, you guys. Like, I could tell like this powder was bomb, and I did want to literally show you guys how easy the concealer blends out as well, because this is like my second time using this Huda Beauty concealer, and bitch, when I say this got coverage, it got coverage. So the only thing with the foundation, I will say, because I did have to mix two of them, the color was a bit off, but once I highlighted and contoured, honestly the foundation looked so pretty. And I wanted to show you guys this powder in action. Girl, look at how smooth that under eye looks, and it's just the perfect amount of brightening. Like, when I tell you that Patrick Starr literally makes your under eye look filtered, airbrushed, like, under eye creases, who, where? Not on this face, honey. So now I am going to set the rest of my foundation with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And another product that I've been loving is this bronzer palette by Essence. This is their Sun Club Matte Bronzing Palette. And girl, I've been using this in a few of my videos now, and I just can't stop using it. It's literally the perfect undertones, and they're all matte. They honestly blend out like butter. Like, I'm obsessed, and it's affordable, which, yes. So now I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics. This is the Vanilla Cream Truffle Palette. It smells like chocolate, and I am going to take those beautiful two shades down in the bottom. I did mix them, and now I'm gonna set my face with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist. I did want to tell you guys, have you peeped that all of the products actually, like, the packaging wise, are all kind of like matching my makeup look today? That definitely was planned. When I tell you guys I wanted to do a rose gold everything, I mean packaging included. I wanted this whole video to be a vibe. When I sit down and I do my makeup, you guys, especially like I haven't filmed in a little while, I just wanted to just pick out products that looked so cute. They all matched, and you guys, my vanity just looked so cute because everything was like all color coordinated, like the palette, the Anastasia one, the Glow Recipe, everything was literally like rose gold, peach, pink, like, you get the vibe. But anyway, now moving on to our lower lash line, we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to run that chocolate brown really lower than we usually do because we really want that to show. And a little trick that I like to do is take a little bit of the matte black and only put that on the outer corner of your eye. Same thing with your pencil liner. You're gonna stop right where you see the browns of your eye, and that's gonna add a little smoky effect only to the outer part of your eyes. And when I tell you, it looks so sexy, even though we really didn't do much. That is just a nice little trick if you're in a rush but you still want to add something, you know what I'm saying, to your lower lash line, and it's gonna make, you know, the only difference. So anyway, now moving on to lips, I am gonna take Sweet Tea from Morphe, and now to define the outer corners of my lips, I am gonna take a bit of Bar from Morphe as well. So I did a combination of two lip liners, and now for my lips in the center, I did take Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey, and I've actually never tried Huda Beauty liquid lipstick formula, and girl, I was obsessed. It was so comfortable. Like, it does not dry out your lips at all. It's actually like a really comfortable mousse type of finish, and it's completely matte. I loved it. But I did want to highlight a little bit more in the center, so I did take my Jordana Tisha liquid lipstick in the shade Mama, and this just brightens up the center of your lips and make them look a little bit more pouty, and it added more warmth to the lips because they were definitely a bit too pink. And now, last but not least, is gloss. You can definitely leave the lips matte, but I've been obsessed with this Sephora gloss, girl. This is their glossy gloss in the shade Yes Honey, and I am just obsessed with the formula. Literally makes your lips look so wet and so juicy. But this is the completed look, this rose gold glitter glam. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Happy New Year's, prima donnas. I love you guys so much. Let's turn the fuck up one last time for the one time, and definitely take a shot with me for all the bullshit we've been through this year. I love you guys so much, and definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. And until next time, bye.